Morning students, today we are going to learn about cash crops. Agriculture is the process of producing by the people for various purposes. The crops cultivated for commercial purposes, it is called as cash crops. What are the cash crops? First one is sugar cane. Second one is oil seeds. And third one is jute. And third one is tobacco. And third one is tobacco. And fourth one is fiber crops. What are the fiber crops? Cotton and jute are the fiber crops. Cotton and jute are the fiber crops. Now we have to learn about cash crops. Cash crops, the crops which are cultivated for commercial purpose are called cash crops. These crops include sugarcane, tobacco and fiber crops. Fiber crops, cotton, jute and mesta. Cash crops or profit crops is an agriculture crops which is grown to sell for profit. It is typically purchased by the parties separate from a farm. The term is used to differentiate marketed crops from subsistence crops, which are those fed to the producer's own livestock or grown as food for producer's family. Next one is sugar cane. It is the second largest producer in the world. These crops provide raw material for sugar industry, which is the second largest industrial category of our country. Besides providing sugar, gur and kandasari, it supplies molasses for alcohol industries and bagasse for paper industry. India is ranked third in sugar producer in the world after Cuba and Brazil. At the state level, Uttar Pradesh is the leading producer of sugarcane, followed by Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Gujarat. Next one is cotton. Cotton is the most important cash crops of India. It provides raw material to the largest industry of India. India ranks second next to China in the production of cotton. About 79% of total area and production in the country were contributed by four states: Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Punjab. Cotton has been grown for food, fiber and even fuel for over 6,000 years. We can find cotton in our clothes, sheets and towels. But cotton is also used to make things like rope, US currency, paper, cooking oil, animal feed, packaging and biofuels. The benefits and versatility of cotton are numerous. Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Punjab are leading producer of cotton. Let us know about jute. Jute is a tropical fiber crops, grows well in the alluvial soil. It provides raw material for jute industry. It is used for manufacturing of gunny bags, carpets, hangings, ropes and strings, rugs, cloths, tarpaulins and upholstery, etc. West Bengal is the leading state of both in cultivation and production of jute. The other cultivation of jute are obtained from the inner bast tissue of the bark of the plant's stem. Jute fiber is primarily used in fabrics for packaging a wide range of agricultural and industrial commodities that requires bags, sacks, packs and wrappings. Wherever bulky, strong fabrics and twins resistant to stretching or required. Jute is widely used because of its low cost. The other cultivators of jute are Bihar, Assam and Meghalaya. Next one is oil seeds. Oil seeds, the premier source of fat in the Indian diet, are derived from a number of crops like groundnut, rapeseed, mustard, sesame, linseed, sunflower, castor seed, cottonseed, niger seed, etc. These provide oil and oil cake which are used for making lubricants, varnish, medicine, perfume, candles, soap, manure and cattle feed. Gujarat is the largest oil producing state. In groundnut production, India is the second largest producer in the world after China. Now we have to learn about plantation crops. Plantation crops are cultivated for the purpose of exports. These are cultivated in large estates on hilly slopes. Tea, coffee, rubber and spices are the major plantation crops of India. Tea, coffee, rubber and spices are the plantation crops. First, we have to learn about tea. Tea is an evergreen plant that mainly grows in tropical and subtropical climates. Tea is a labor intensive and grows faster under light shade. Tea plants require high rainfall, but its root cannot tolerate waterlogging. Two major varieties of tea are cultivated in India. They are, first one is Bohea, originated from China, and second one is Assamica, it is from India only. A number of hybrid varieties have been developed by mixing these two. India is the second largest producer of tea after China in the world. Assam is the larger producer of tea in India. Other states are Tamil Nadu, Kerala and West Bengal. Next one is coffee. Coffee is also a plantation crop. Coffee is grown in shade and it grows effectively in the altitudes between 1000 and 1500 meter above mean sea level. There are two main varieties of coffee. They are, first one is Arabica. It is high quality, cultivated more in India. Second one is Robusta. It is inferior quality. India is the seventh largest producer of coffee globally. Karnataka is the leading producer of coffee in India. It produces 71% in India and 2.5% in the world. Coffee Board of India in 2018. Next one is rubber. Rubber plantation were first established in Kerala in 1902. It needs hot and wet climatic conditions. The temperature needs above 20 degrees Celsius and rainfall above 300 centimeter rainfall. Most of the land under rubber belong to small landholders. The major rubber growing areas are Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka and Andaman Nicobar Islands. Last one is spices. India has been world famous for its spices since ancient times. These spices mostly used for flavoring or tempering cooked food and for preparing medicines, dyes, etc. Pepper, chilies, turmeric, ginger, cardamom, clove and areca nut are major spices cultivated in India. Kerala is the leading producer of spices in India. Thank you, students.